Yes, I am going to do this now. Okay, so we are at 6:25-ish in the morning. We've been here, sorry. And there's a contraction. And as you can see, that is in labor. And
his heartbeat thing is coming.
right, so I'm going to back up a little bit here. Just while I can take a little video of you, I will. Here's this little heartbeat thing. Not that anybody can read it, but there it is. Looks, from what they tell us, very good. We've been here since what? About 3:45 in the morning. You went into labor around 2. Or not labor. Your water broke. Your water broke around 2. So there you are. How you feeling, Boo?
Unprepared. You weren't supposed to come for another 2 weeks. I'm supposed to get my massage this Sunday.
But
we're very happy to see you, Brett.
Why don't you just be nice to your child or whoever else is watching this? You know what? That's okay. You can do whatever you want. Anyway, so lots still to happen, but things are going, and here we go. We'll see where it goes.